Hey guys, it's Ellen here. Many people ask me how to start. Well, I think there are some basic concepts that you have to know before you start trading. And the first thing of all I would like to talk about would be your stop loss. So no matter what you're trading, the only way that you can maximize your profit and allow yourself to have an edge against the stock market is to have a solid stop loss. So when I set a stop loss, no matter what, I will never take it away, unless I'm trying to move it up. What I mean by that is that let's say you make an entry to the market, you buy a stock, buy some shares, um, then you set your stop loss. Normally, I set it at around 1 or 2%. Depends on your own risk reward ratio, and that makes you profitable in long term. Because let's say if you're trying to make an average of 2 to 3% of profit, right? Then you probably try to set your stop loss at around 1 to 1.5%, so that you can win one time and lose two after to still make an even. Um, so this would mean that you can actually have more chances to lose, give yourself more chances to make great profits, and hopefully profitable in long term. So that's really important. And as you go further, let's say you're in a trade and you feel like you have quite a good profit right now. Let's say you made 2% profit, right? Then at that point, you try to move your stop loss upwards. So usually I try to move it up to lock in my profit at around 1.8% or 2%. So even though it might not end well in the end, let's say I predicted it to be going way higher, but then it ended up coming down. I still lock in my 1.8 percent of profit. So I ended the day in green. And so in long term, it's avoid you from making wrong decisions because of emotional changes, and that's how we keep ourselves profitable in long term. So yeah, make sure you set a good stop loss, and end in green, guys.